from the archives of Richard C. Hoagland, narrated by Adobe AI. A Graham Innes production, based on 40 years of published ET artifacts research. Artifacts on Mars. Intelligent life on Earth first manifests itself in the geometric regularity of its constructions. Proof of Sagan's statement is seen in images of cities, constructions kilometers in size, constructions meters in size, terrestrial ruins, items centimeters in size, large cultural artifacts, and small cultural artifacts. What about constructions on Mars? Geometric regularity on Mars includes an important angle, 19.5 degrees. It is the latitude where the vertices of a tetrahedron touch a circumscribing sphere. At a particular location, hyperdimensional physics predicts an energy upwelling there. On Earth, that location is Mauna Kea, Hawaii. On Mars, it is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. 120 degrees away is Cydonia. How about the constructions of Cydonia, Mars? In 1976, the Viking 1 mission was sent to Mars. Remarkable features were photographed at Cydonia, such as the face on Mars. Later missions have rendered much better detail, showing ruins of an underground city, much like the ruins of a shore, or the Caral Pyramids, Peru, or Cappadocia. Cydonia has more geometric constructions. The D&M pyramid has symmetry, with 19.5 degree angles, and other angles based on the mathematical constants E and pi. And there is more cellular archaeology, just like El Eaton, Israel, or the Hoover Dam, or World War II ruins. Cydonia has more geometric constructions. Cydonia has the same D and M mathematical angles, ratios of lengths 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, and mathematics like the Morgan curve. Symmetrical mounds with 19.5 degree orientation, and many tetrahedral pyramids There are 4-sided pyramids and 5-sided ones, as well as rectangular forms. A number of landers and rovers have shown finer details. The Curiosity rover on Sol 926 photographed the remains of a flanged mechanical casing with symmetry and triangular geometry, like a modern flanged casing. There are more examples. Curiosity on Sol 1384 photographed these. There are shipwrecks on Mars, resembling terrestrial shipwrecks. Earlier in the Curiosity mission, another mechanical object was photographed twice. On Sol 51 and again on Sol 64. From the photos, engineering drawings were made and overlaid onto the photos. When seen from two viewpoints, it is not an illusion. Curiosity also found mechanical remains with spikes. Elsewhere, there are cultural artifacts, such as the remains of male statues. Horns of Michelangelo Moses comparison, and female statues. Statue of Liberty comparison, Greek goddess comparison, and gargoyle-like figures. There are rectilinear fragments such as this pan, and this corner, and this box. An amphora-like fragment, a stone totem pole. There appear to be fossil remains such as a thigh bone, and even multiple skeletons. We are just beginning to learn the history of Mars. So far, we only see fragments. We must go in person to find out more. And stay long enough to explore interesting sites, such as the Triangle Rock, the Phoenix on Mars, the Crown Face on Mars, or the Cydonia Face on Mars.